So I don't know what's going on here, but I had more than 400 files. These are all video files, so you're talking hundreds of gigabyte I had in the recycle bin. So okay, I deleted the recycle bin, but I think it cleaned up my HDD. But my solid state drive, look at this. Is this coming from Steam updates? What's going on here? Why is my Windows C drive almost empty? A- And then when I did that, so a few minutes ago it was at, what was it a few minutes ago? It may have said like 8 gigabytes, 8 or 9. And so I deleted the files in the recycle bin. So now it says 10. I don't know. I need to. This is crazy, man. So obviously the performance of my computer is worse, but I don't know what's going on here at all. I literally don't know. Like, what the heck happened to my space here on my Windows C drive? I just did a virus scan. It didn't find anything major as usual. Um, and it said poor optimization. I'm trying to figure out what this is. I need to figure out a way. Again, like, I don't like it. Literally, last time I checked was last week, or I don't know. Within the past week or two, maybe I looked at this and it still had 100 gigabytes. So I don't know if it's Steam updates. I don't know what's going on. And so right now I'm just trying to think. Like, I'm really trying to think. I don't really put anything on that drive anymore. It's just like it's taken up anyway. So this is crazy. We're gonna watch our Rooster Fighter again, but oh man. Okay, so just restart the computer, and the BIOS menu comes up. Still comes up again, so I have to figure that out tomorrow. It's 3 a.m. now. Right now, so my space still says 10 gigabytes. So I'm going to try this. I don't know if I've ever tried it. Hoping nothing bad happens. I mean, yeah. So I'm going to try to clear cache and see if it clears up any space. Okay, so I did clear cache. Let me see. Nope. So that didn't resolve that. But there you go. So I have to figure out what's taking. I don't know what this is. This is crazy. So I have to search through the files. I found some possibilities online of some things. This is crazy. I'll probably have to do this like tomorrow before I even like continue recording any gameplay videos. So I'm going for now. Okay, so this will be more of a test right now. So tomorrow I will be using a software to go through my files, mainly in the Windows C drive, and look for the largest file so I can see what's causing this problem. Now, me just recording right now, I'm curious if this is going to make it go, because it's already lower. It's lower right now than it was yesterday. Last night, it was at 10 gigabytes. Now it's down to 9.69. And when I plugged in my phone here a few seconds ago, it went to 9.68. So it's just interesting that pretty much anything uses it up. But I'm going to test this out. Even right now, like maybe I'll hit the refresh button right now and see. Yep, I hit the refresh button and it went down. So I've been curious about OBS. I need to look into OBS. I bet there are like temporary OBS files, and then I have to go and find all my Adobe Premiere files. Like I said, I use Adobe. Unfortunately, use Adobe products and paying money for them. When DaVinci Code is free, I really need to switch over to DaVinci. DaVinci Code, DaVinci, what is it called? I have it. I thought I had it here. I need to re-download it, but I do have DaVinci. But it's right here, DaVinci. DaVinci Resolve. That's it right down there. So press refresh again. Nothing right now. So yeah, that's the goal. I'm going to use some software tomorrow. I really like to just download one tonight, but you know the whole narcissism thing going on. So there's another software that I guess I'll be given tomorrow, and I'll test that out to really figure out the files. Oh, I mean, really, I could just go in and do. I know there's just more simpler ways to sort of go and search rather than using like third-party software just in general. But yeah, so something's eating up my Windows C drive, which is crazy. And I'm suspecting just me recording right here. Pressing refresh again, nothing. But I am suspecting Adobe Premiere, Adobe Encoder. Those are the main two. I haven't used After Effects in a while, but I do know After Effects. I probably have some left over. I'm wondering if it's like the temporary files, right? Because these software, they do say temporary files, and I did research, and apparently they can be pretty huge. I didn't realize that. I don't remember them ever being so big before. But yeah, I work with lots of videos. So this is a new one I put in a few years ago. This 7, really it's like an 8 terabyte hard drive on my D drive that I put like a few years ago, and it's already filled up. So I just got it back to 1 terabyte last night. It was down to like 400 terabyte. Actually, it's down to 300 or lower, 300 or lower gigabytes. I mean, and then I got up to 400, and I got to 600, and I'm running out of external hard drives for space. So like really, just everything needs to be upgraded. Um, this is too small. Just 500 gigabytes is just too small for what I do. For most people, that's fine. Being I work with animation, 3D software, and lots of video large files. So yeah, just a little update there. So I may just make this a full video just explaining like, well, my Windows C drive is filling up. And actually I'm going to record a before and after, like, because I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit some videos tonight. And then I want to see if this goes down again. If I lose more space again. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to edit some, like I just transferred some videos, but I'm going to edit some videos here. And just see if it goes down and, you know, if I lose more space. So let's see.